Assalam-o-alikum friends, welcome back to another new video. In this video we are going to see that how to execute this PHP file into your computer without using any server. So what you have to do is go to your internet and go to this website. I have provided the link of this website in the description, and download the Xampp application from here. It is open source application according to my knowledge, and you can download this application for Windows, for Linux, and for Mac OS. I am downloading here right now the latest version of this application for Windows because I am using Windows 10. You can select according to your operating system. So I am downloading here 64-bit. Okay, I have already downloaded it, so I am not downloading it again. Its application setup is around 100 MB or more. So after downloading it, go to downloads and find that file that you have downloaded. I have downloaded this file. I am pasting it to my desktop to show you clearly. As you can see, this is the installation setup file, so you have to double click on it and you have to install it. It is so simple to install. As you can see, you have to just click on next. You can select these all. Okay, so here you can change the installation path here if you want. So then click on next, and language is English. Next. Okay, so it will ask you for some permissions. You can easily allow the access. It will do nothing with your data. Easily allow the access to the HTTP server because it uses an HTTP server to create a local server on your local computer. So you must have to allow this. And as you can see, the installation is completed and it is asking to launch the control panel. So launch the control panel, and as you can see, the control panel of Xampp, and Xampp will run on the background because it uses a port of your computer which is normally a port 80 or port 443 to use HTTP or HTTPS server. So it have to run on background while you are working with Xampp server to make your own computer a server temporarily to execute this PHP file. Okay, Xampp server is starting. As you can see, the control panel has been started successfully. So as you can see, it have many features. So to execute this PHP file, you have to start this Apache server. This will handle your HTTP port and HTTPS port, and this is also responsible to execute this PHP file. But you have to copy this file to the Xampp directory so the Xampp can execute this file. So as you can see on start menu, I can find here Xampp control panel. Right click on it and go more and go to its file location. And if you don't find its original directory, again click on it and go to open file location again. And as you can see, this is its original directory, and here you can find htdocs folder, and here you can create a folder named you can name anything. I'm writing its name Fixy, and in this folder you can paste this file. You can name this folder anything, but inside this folder htdocs, inside this folder is must, and here I have created a folder Fixy. So as you can see, my Apache is started at port 80 or port 443. So I can now open my browser and type here localhost, and localhost will execute these files. So I have created a folder here Fixy. So I have to type here /Fixy and then /index.php, means in this Fixy folder there is a file called index.php. So I want to execute that file and hit enter key, and as you can see, this file will print hello world and give it to the client. And as you can see, our PHP file is executing successfully on the local host. If you have any queries related to computer or softwares, you can ask me in the comment section, and make sure you have subscribed to this channel and press the bell icon to get the latest videos immediately. Thanks for your time. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.